Namaste. Myself, Charu Anjurbag from the Yoga Institute. So, what is the potential power of a smile and the consequent laughter? Does it really have great beneficial effects on one person's health? This has been a subject matter of many research. A clinical trial was conducted about understanding the effects that laughter has on patients who were suffering from coronary heart disease. So, they were divided into two groups. Half a group was asked to go through laughter therapy, and they were supposed to watch comedy series, comedy shows, and the other half was asked to watch any kind of documentaries, even politics. And the results of this research was that those who went through laughter therapy had better heart rates, lowered blood pressure, relaxed functions of the muscles, and also their arteries expanded more. Now, we don't need a research to understand that laughter is good for health, because it's a matter of common experience that we feel good when we laugh. It's true that scientifically also it has been proven that when one laughs, the body generates an increased amount of endorphins. That is a feel-good chemical which also relieves pain. At the same time, it also reduces cortisol and epinephrine, which are the stress hormones. And definitely we can add that blood pressure becomes lower, heart function betters itself, even the muscles relax. Talking about muscles, it is also known for a fact that it takes less muscles to smile and more to frown. So for all practical purposes, also smiling seems to be a better option. Not only does the smile and laughter take away the stress from the body, it can also reduce stress in relationships. Tension between two people can be so easily diffused if even one person chooses to smile. It's an invitation by that person to the other to make things better, to patch up and move on. So who wouldn't like to use less muscle, be happy, and at the same time improve interpersonal relationships? Let us resolve to include a good measure of laughter in our diets. So there are so many ways we can do it. For starters, you can choose to watch those TV shows which are lighter, more funnier, rather than those grim and dark ones. You can also try to maintain something like a humor journal. Make it a habit to put down every joke that you hear into that journal, everything funny that you read about into that journal. So at times when you're feeling low, that journal will come to your help because you can just sit and go through it. You can meet with your friends, and specifically, you can meet with your friends for sessions of laughter and exchange of funny anecdotes. You could even host a virtual comedy night where everyone reads out some funny anecdote, some funny story, and just makes everyone laugh. And never miss a chance to laugh at yourself. Just making a conscious effort to even force a smile can generate feelings of warmth and positivity. And ask anyone around you. They will always tell you that you look better with a smile than without it. So I hope you smile more today. Namaste.